Hey guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. My name is Sidia. So I'm going to show you guys what I do to my hair whenever I don't want to wear my pixie cut. Even though at first I wanted to wear my pixie cut and then I had a change of heart while I was doing my hair. But this video is sponsored by ORS and I'm going to be using their products. You guys already saw my last video that I did with them. So this is an updated video, updated review on their products. So I've been using their products religiously. Like the deep conditioner is pretty much finished. I've been loving that. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm gonna relax my hair and I'm using their relaxer. I'm gonna put a better picture on screen. It's like the touch-up relaxer if you have a pixie cut and it's in the normal strength. You know, the last time I used the relaxer, I used the mild version and I didn't really like it. As promised, I told you the next time I would use their normal strength, and I really love how my hair came out. Unfortunately, I didn't style my pixie cut, but you can see the result of how laid my hair was after I finished relaxing my hair. What comes in the box is the relaxer, of course, the activator, the neutralizing shampoo and conditioner. So I just went ahead and just relaxed my hair. I'm not gonna go in details on how I relax my hair. There's so much video on my channel, and the last video I showed how I relax my hair, so I'm just gonna fast forward this so you guys can watch it and see my technique whenever I am relaxing my hair. So after I relaxed my hair, I went ahead and shampoo, and I decided to show you guys my wash routine when I'm have relaxer in my hair. So I'm gonna rinse that out thoroughly, like ensure you rinse your relaxer out really good. Then I'm gonna go in with their neutralizing shampoo. I went in with the neutralizing shampoo 5 times until the lather is white, because when relaxer is still in your hair, the lather is gonna be pink. So I lather my hair 5 times until it was no longer pink. I was showing you in the clip that looks pink. Then I went in with their sulfate-free shampoo and I washed my hair with that twice. I think I said this in my last video, but their sulfate-free shampoo is so moisturizing, and this shampoo is infused with rice water and electrolytes, so it's very hydrating. Then I went in with their replenishing conditioner and I let that sit in my hair until I finish shower. Then I rinse it out, and I always rinse my hair after conditioner with cold water. I know that pretty much seals the moisture in your hair. If you go ahead with the hot water, you're pretty much taking away all that moisture from your hair. So yeah, I use cold water to close my cuticles and then seal that moisture in. Then I went ahead and I used a leave-in conditioner and then some heat protector, and that's when I decided I don't think I want to go to the process of my pixie, and I think I need a break, so I'm gonna use a UPart wig. And I blow dry my hair and then I install my UPart wig. And I just pretty much take my leave out, even though it's really short. I decided I was going to do a middle part, so I take out my leave out and then try to braid my hair as best as I could. It was very hard, so I did that, and then I glued the top portion where my leave out would be, because I want it to be really flat, and then I sewed the perimeter with the sewing needle and thread. I style my hair before I install it just to make things easier. gonna show you guys how I blend my leave out, even though it's that short, when I'm wearing my UPart wig. So I take a little bit of my hair and I spray some of the ORS Olin spray on a brush, and I use it to lay my hair in place so that I can blend. I glued two pieces of the weft on each side to blend my leave out seamlessly. Then I go in with their Olin spray to blend the leave out. Spray the Olin spray on a brush or my edge brush, whichever one I'm using. Spray a little bit of the Olin spray as well in the palm of my hands, and then just rub that into my hair and brush it so it can lay nicely. And yeah, so this is how I relax my hair, shampoo my hair after my relaxer, and install my UPart wig and blend my leaf out using ORS products. So I hope you guys like this. Thank you so much, ORS, for sponsoring this video. And you can check out the description bar for everything that I use in the video. And yeah, so take care, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.